everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stoichiometric defects. Friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about those are the important stoichiometric defects like Frankel and Schottky defect. Okay, friends. Already you know that in my previous video, I had discussed about the stoichiometric defects. But one more time, I am explain. First of all, what is stoichiometric defects? Friends, stoichiometric defects is it maintains the ratio of the stoichiometric coefficient, and as well as it is also called as thermodynamic defect. Okay, friends. So stoichiometric defect is also called as thermodynamic defect. All defects are thermodynamic defects. It means when temperature increases, what happens, friends? The defect is changes. It means defect is varies with the temperature. So this is also called as thermodynamic defects. Friends, now I am going to discuss about the Schottky and Frankel defect. Now I am representing a small table. I am explaining these two defects is simply. Okay, friends, I am representing a small table. The table is first of all, what is the name of the defect? First of all, what is the name of defect? First of all, what is name of defect? And this column is I am represented to the definition of the defect. And next one is what type of solid shows this kind of defect. And fourth column is I am represented to the density effect. Finally, I am drawing crystal structure after defect. Okay, friends, these points I am discussed in this video. Okay, friends, first of all, name of the defect, and what is the definition of the defect, and what type of solid shows this kind of defect, and what about the density effect, and finally I am drawing crystal structure after defect. Okay, friends, first of all, the name of the defect. First defect is Schottky defect. Okay, friends, what is the definition of the Schottky defect? Friends, Schottky defect definition is when equal number of cation or anions, equal number of cations and anions removed from crystal lattice. This is also called as Schottky defect. Okay, friends, Schottky defect is when equal number of cations and anions remove of the crystal lattice. That is called as Schottky defect. Now, what type of solids are shows this kind of defect? Friends, in ionic solids are shows this kind of defect. Okay, friends, this is very important. Ionic solids are shows this kind of defect. Okay, friends, ionic solids are shows Schottky defect. And what about the density? Density effect in Schottky defect is decreases. Okay, friends, I am explanation briefly. I am drawing crystal structure after defect. Now we have to understand this density effect. First of all, I am drawing crystal structure. Okay, friends, crystal structure like this. Okay, friends, I am represented to the crystal structure like this. In the crystal structure, cations and anions is alternately arrangement. Okay, friends, it means cation, anion, cation, anion, cation. First, in this case, this is anion, cation, anion, cation, and cation, anion, cation, anion. Okay, friends, in crystal structure like this, but after defect this crystal structure is changes. It means Schottky defect means when equal number of cation and anion is removed of the crystal lattice. It means, for example, you know that same size of this anion is removed. What happens, friends? The same type of this cation is removed. Okay, friends, this is also called as Schottky defect. Schottky defect means same size of cation is removed of the crystal lattice, and also same type of anion is removed of the crystal lattice. That is called as Schottky defect. Now, what about the density effect? Friends, you know that the number of cations and anions is decreases of this crystal lattice after defect. What happens, friends? This density effect is also decreases. Okay, friends, density is also decreases of this Schottky defect. Okay, friends, this is the Schottky defect definition and density effect and crystal structure after defect. Okay, friends, now another important defect is Frankel defect. Another important is Frankel defect. Frankel defect. Okay, friends, what is Frankel defect definition? Frankel defect definition is when one of the cation or anion is occupying interstitial site in crystal lattice. Interstitial site in crystal lattice. Okay, friends, what is Frankel defect? Frankel defect is when one of the cation and anion is occupied of the interstitial site in crystal lattice, that is called as Frankel defect. Okay, friends, what type of solids are involved in this kind of defect is ionic solids are shows this kind of defects. Okay, friends, ionic solids are shows this kind of defects. Okay, friends, ionic solids are shows this kind of defect. Now, what about the density effect? Friends, density effect of the Frankel defect is remains same. It means, first of all, now we have to understand the crystal structure after defect. I am representing crystal structure like this. Okay, friends, this is the crystal structure. Crystal structure is like this. Okay, friends, in crystal structures, cations and anions is alternately arrangement like this. This is cation and anion, cation and anion, and this is anion, cation, anion, cation, and this is cation, anion, cation, anion. Okay, friends, these are the cations and anions are arrangement in this pattern. Okay, friends, now what is Frankel defect? When one of the cation and anion is occupy interstitial sites. Okay, friends, it means now we have to consider a void situation. That void position is occupy of this cation and anion. This is also called as Frankel defect. Okay, friends, for example, you know that this cation is, okay, friends, this positive charge means this cation is this original phase. This cation is removed. What happens, friends? This cation is occupy of this interstitial site. It means like this. Okay, friends, this is the void area. The cation is occupied. This is also called as Frankel defect. Okay, friends, this is also called as Frankel defect. Now, what about the density effect? Density effect is also same. It means remains same density. Okay, friends, density is no change of the density in this Frankel defect. Okay, friends, this is called as Schottky defect and this is called as Frankel defect. Okay, friends, now I am going to discuss about those are the important conditions of these Schottky and Frankel defects. First of all, this is clear, friends. This is arise. Okay, friends, I am discuss about those are the important condition, this Schottky and Frankel defect. Now I am representing a small table like this. First of all, serial number. And second one, what is the conditions of these two defects conditions. And next one is the Schottky defect. Next one is Schottky defect. And in this case, this is the Frankel defect. Okay, friends, this is the small representation like this. Okay, friends, small representation like this. First of all, I am represented to the like this. Okay, friends, small representation. First of all, serial number 1. What is the condition? The condition is size of the cations and anions. Size of cation and anion. Okay, friends, first condition is size of the cation and anion. Now we have to consider a Schottky defect. The size of cation and anion is also similar size. Okay, friends, cation, okay friends, size of cation is similar to the size of anion. Okay friends, in this case what happens friends, in Schottky defect size of cation and size of anion both are equal size. It means similar size of the cation and anion in the Schottky defect. But in Frankel defect, the size of anion is very high. Size of anion is very high size with compared to the size of cation. Okay friends, in this case Frankel defect size of anion is very high and with compared to the size of cation. But in Schottky defect both cation and anion both are similar sizes. Okay friends, this is the first condition. And next one more condition is coordination number. Friends, these points are very important in competitive exams. Okay friends, next one is the coordination number. Friends, now we have to consider a size of cation and size of anion is similar. What happens friends? For example, you know that in this crystal structure, this is the cation size. Okay friends, cation size is very large. It means similar size of the anion. It means that the anion is touches the atom. Okay friends, it means nearest neighbor atoms is very high. Nearest neighbors atoms is present in these Schottky defects. Okay friends, these are the anions. Okay friends, there are number of anions are touches to this cation. It means the coordination number is very high in this Schottky defect. Okay friends, coordination number is very high because of the sizes are same. Like cation and anion. Okay friends, it means high coordination number in this Schottky defect. But in this case Frankel defect, whenever the cation size is very small, what happens friends? It means the nearest neighbors. Okay friends, it means the coordination number is very low in this Frankel defect. Okay friends, these are the very important point friends. What is coordination number friends? Coordination number is the nearest neighbors. It means touches atom. Okay friends, in coordination number Frankel defect is low and in Schottky defect is high. Okay friends, this is the second condition. And third important one is what is the examples of these Schottky and Frankel defect. Okay friends, this is so much important friends. What is the examples of the Schottky and Frankel defect? Schottky defect example is NaCl and KCl and KBr and CSCl. Okay friends, these are the examples of the Schottky defect. And what is the examples of the Frankel defect? Frankel defect example is ZnS and AgCl. These two are the examples of the Frankel defect and these are the examples of the Schottky defect. But one more example is AgBr. Okay friends, silver bromide. Silver bromide is a example of the Schottky defect and Frankel defect. This silver bromide is shows these two effects like Schottky and Frankel defect. This is so much important friends. This is so much important. Silver bromide is an example of the both Schottky defect and Frankel defect. Okay friends, this is the concept of the stoichiometric defects like Frankel and Schottky defect. Okay friends, this is the conditions of the Schottky defect and Frankel defect and with examples. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.